we on? Testing, testing. We good? Great. Hello, everyone. My name is Joel. I'm the founder and CEO of HAiO. Really cool to be here. For our presentation today, I'm going to walk you through what we've built, why we've built it, and then give you my perspective on how I see sort of this AI and Web3 world sort of connecting moving forward. Yep. Oh, it looks like you have the incorrect slide, but you know what? That's fine. We'll rock with it. So just to give you a preview while they're setting that up, we have built an AI music streaming platform that is run entirely by autonomous agents. Each agent within the platform has its own sort of role and job position, and we put it together to create sort of the perfect platform. If you don't have the new deck, that's fine. So we all know across video, across text, across audio, there's a lot of billion-dollar corporations and platforms growing right now. I would say music had been lagging a little bit, slightly behind, but my sort of idea is, my belief is that over the next 12 to 16 months, we'll finally see music sort of follow up, catch up, and maybe outdo some of these other mediums. My apologies. This isn't the correct deck. What I'll do instead, is that okay? Is that possible to get the right one or no? Okay. So I'll just walk you through what we've built. So we have several agents. The first agent is our music agent. Right now, our music agent is generating 1,000 tracks per day. It's able to generate it all autonomously on its own because it's taking data from other places in the platform. So what people are searching for, what they like, what they don't like, things like that. It's then going to generate its own prompt for the song. And these are full songs. These aren't instrumentals. These are full songs. It's going to generate the prompt, create the music. It's going to verify it. It's going to check it for any errors. And if it's good to go, it's going to add it to our pool of music. Currently, we have 1,000 tracks we're doing a day, but we've capped it at 1,000 for quality control. Total, we have over 200,000 tracks in the platform. Each agent, like I mentioned, works together. The next agent is what's called the playlist agent. With the playlist agent, you're going to enter a prompt. And that playlist agent is going to spit out an entire 50-minute to 1 hour long playlist, depending on the tracks in the playlist for you. And it's going to generate a title for it, and it's even going to create an album cover for it as well. That's too bad. I wish I could show you the actual image and videos from what we built. So the great thing about the playlist agent, like I said, is that it works together with the music agent. So as soon as you hit enter on that playlist agent, you're automatically going to get your own channel. It's going to connect to your wallet. You get your own channel. Similar to YouTube, people like, comment, share, subscribe on your music. You're going to get rewarded our token, and you're going to get rewarded points via that channel. The next agent that we have on in the platform is what we call the live agent, and we built what we call a live diffuser on top of that agent. The live diffuser, all you have to do is hit play, and that agent is going to generate a unique playlist to you. No two playlists are the same, based on your location, the time of day, the weather, and climate outside. So it's a very interactive experience, a music experience. It's good for clubs, bars, lounges, if you're going on a road trip, something like that. the idea in the future is to pair that technology with hardware. So a stereo speaker, I think this is correct. Very good. With a stereo speaker, and then sort of create sort of the AI version of Beats by Dre, if you can imagine what that would look like. Okay. Next, we have a few other agents. This is live. We've got a social agent that will be released Q4 this year, as well as our live streaming agent, which will act sort of as a distribution agent for the content that you're creating. So we allow you to create your own channel very seamlessly. The great thing about creating with AI music is that not only can you become a creator and earn revenue on our platform, if you are already a creator on other platforms, let's say YouTube, for example, even if you have 20 million, 30 million subscribers, all your revenue that you're generating on these other platforms goes to the original copyright holders if you have music. But if you're using AI-generated music, it's copyright free. So not only can you monetize and generate revenue on our platform, you can now finally monetize your demonetized channels, whether that be YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, whatever platforms you're on. The next part in sort of our ecosystem is what we're calling AgentFi. There's several different ways to earn revenue on our platform. We allow you to stake and become a co-owner in the agents. So as that agent is generating revenue for other users creating content, you can now get a piece of that action even if you're not a creator yourself. So this slide just shows sort of what we believe is a true circular economy. I know a lot of companies, especially in the Web3 space, focus on decentralization and a lot of those things, but our goal is to really bring in as many sort of Web2 and regular folks as possible. So we believe the platform isn't fun, it's got to be fast, and it actually has to have some sort of incentive as well. So we just launched in March. We are live at HAiO.fun. So far we're about to cross 400,000 users. We get over 200,000 hits a month alone, strictly from Google. So this AI wave is definitely real. A lot of people searching online these AI tools are been able to find us strictly organically on Google. I really do feel like we do go a step behind a lot of the other generative models, because a lot of those other models that you see out there are simply just tools, and that's as far as they go. So you generate content, and then it just sort of goes out into the world, into the space, and then you open up another chat, you generate some more, whether it be text or video, in this case music, and these other models haven't really solved the issue of, number one, ownership and monetization. So our goal is to not just have a utility, but also solve the monetization and the ownership. A big question you might be asking is, hey, who owns the content that you're creating? Are you the owner, or is the agent or the AI platform the owner of the content? And I believe that we have sort of fixed this issue by allowing the users on our platform to be co-owners of the content, as well as owners of the music that they're generating. This is a list of our different partners. Only with a few months, we're really grateful to a lot of the people that we've been connecting with and mingling at these different events. We plan to keep growing. This is a sort of a general sort of overview of our ecosystem. The most important thing that I would like to mention here is sort of the bottom. Currently, we have over 200,000 tracks on the platform, but when we get to 500K, 1 million, 2 million, we'll be able to say that we are the largest AI music streaming platform in the world. And at this stage, we're going to be opening up our API SDK tools to allow other apps, other platforms, for example, let's say our meditation app, anything that needs music, essentially, to build on top of our platform. So not only have we built a streaming platform on one side of things, we have creators as well. You're able to monetize that, and they're all creating this pool, this IP, sort of at the bottom. So that means gaming company, metaverse company, anything that needs commercial licensing music, will be able to not only build on top of ours, but that's a very good B2B revenue model for us as well. This is sort of the architecture of how the agents work. Each agent has their own dedicated wallet. The cool thing is, let's say you're staking an agent, you're a co-owner of the agent. As that money comes into that wallet, the agent's going to pay the Aether fees. It's going to pay you a portion of that revenue. It's going to pay a portion to the developer's wallet. It's going to pay a portion to our wallets, our company wallet. And this is all done on chain, and it's done very quickly because it's not done by humans, it's done by the agent itself. This is a snap picture of some of our team. We have 15 team members in total. These are some of the full-time members. And I'm not sure if it'll work, but I just want to leave you with a quick demo. If it's not going to work, that's fine. A quick demo video of some of the music. I doubt I'll be able to actually click on this, but there's embedded video. If not, that's fine. My apologies for the hiccup at the beginning. I hope you enjoyed the talk, everyone. Thanks.